There were 800 teams overall, 16 teams qualified, and 3 were from our university. And the team I was in was the only team from first year. We were really scared, I will be honest. We went there, we gave our presentation, and I would say one of my best presentations aaj tak ki. And the judges were impressed as well, and the results were announced, and we won. After winning at BITS Pilani, एक win हुआ. उसके बाद यहाँ पे आए, अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी गए, वहाँ पे 2 और जीते. 3 wins, and it's been almost 10 months now, and I have won 7 hackathons, including wins at IITs and IIMs as well. कि अगर मैं अभी अपने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में स्टार्टिंग में आते ही एक जीत सकता हूँ, so I made a target, मुझे फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड होने से पहले 10 hackathons जीतनी है. Hi, my name is Adi Kalra. I'm a first year student at Newton School of Technology, Rishi University, and here's my story. Alright, I still remember that day. I just came here and I saw that मेरे seniors यहाँ पे already बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं. And since I used to code since I was in 7th standard, so it was like मुझे already काफ़ी कुछ आता है, that kind of overconfidence thing. But when I saw कि ये लोग तो genuine बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं and there's a product segment जहाँ मेरे seniors already काफ़ी सारी universities में जाके बहुत competitions जीत भी रहे थे. So I was like, okay, मुझे भी करना है ये. So I went to one of my seniors. His name was Abir Sarkar, and I told him that भैया मुझे ये सब आता है and I want to take part in hackathons with you. So can I? He was like, आज शाम मेरे क्लब की onboarding है, आ जाना. And that was the moment when everything kind of changed for me. So that club was Earthcrumb. तो जब मैं यहाँ आया, I was like, चलो more study oriented रहते हैं कि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई में लगे रहेंगे, अच्छी placement लेंगे and all that. But जब मैं Earthcrumb में आया, मुझे अलग ही एक पूरा broader aspect दिखा. यार ठीक है, placement तो एक चीज़ है ही है, personality development and moreover अगर startup भी करना है, बहुत चीज़ें करनी है, तो उसके लिए क्या क्या आना चाहिए, तो वो सब सीखा मैंने Earthcrumb में आके. वहाँ से बिट्स पिलानी हो या फिर उसके बाद और भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स थे, चाहे अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी, चाहे IIT मंडी, IIT जोधपुर, जहाँ पे भी हम गए, जहाँ पे भी हम जीते, फोड़ा है. So Abir Bhaiya called me and he said that there's a competition happening at BITS Pilani, and moreover the competitors we would be facing are only MBA grads. And then the thing was, we were like, let's give it a chance, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. So we just registered for it, and there was a qualification round, and we qualified actually. There were 800 teams overall, 16 teams qualified, and 3 were from our university. And the team I was in, the only team from first year. So after that, we went there, and we just saw those people. They were really professional, the way they were presenting everything, and we were like, okay, how can we win against these people? We were really scared, I will be honest. We went there, we gave our presentation, and I would say one of my best presentations aaj tak ki. And the judges were impressed as well. We were hoping कि इतना अच्छा गया, let's see what the results would be. And the results were announced, and we won. So at BITS Pilani, it was like we were given 3 projects. R was LinkedIn. So our mission was to redesign LinkedIn in a way that जो easy apply वाली चीज़ है, वहाँ पे ghost jobs बहुत सारी होती है that people do apply but they never get any response. We made a kind of tracking system that now your resume is being seen by the reviewer. Now it is shortlisted. Okay, he will call you for an interview, and if at any stage उसे वो पसंद नहीं आता, it will clearly show कि अब नहीं हो रहा है, this process ended, you can apply anywhere else. It was my first hackathon win, and it motivated me. अगर मैं अभी अपने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में स्टार्टिंग में आते ही एक जीत सकता हूँ, सो आई मेड अ टारगेट, मुझे फर्स्ट ईयर के एंड होने से पहले 10 हैकाथॉन्स जीतनी है. आफ्टर विनिंग एट बिट्स पिलानी, एक विन हुआ. उसके बाद यहाँ पे आए, अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी गए, वहाँ पे 2 और जीते. 3 wins. It's been almost 10 months now, and I have won 7 hackathons, including wins at IITs and IIMs as well. So my target is to win 10 hackathons, and I know हो भी जाएगा. I will do it. And after that, जब हम यहाँ पे आए थे, we saw our seniors as an inspiration. उनकी जर्नी से हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा, and we were like, okay, we want to do even better. So now it's our turn to carry on the legacy. We won 3 or 4 hackathons, and now there was a constant question in my mind that हर बार जब भी हम जा रहे हैं, there are seniors in our team, or there are seniors going with us who are helping us. So I was like, is it just the luck factor combined with the guidance of our seniors, or is it really the hard work that I am doing? So after that, NST Construct came. This time I was like, let's make a whole freshers team and let's compete against them. ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, हार जाएंगे, but एक बार रिस्क लेना तो worth it है. पहले आया हमारा pitch qualification day, हमारी pitch हुई, and the judges at that time were our own faculty only. They were like, your pitch is one of the best pitch I have ever seen. So that point it was like, अब तो motivation है, and now we have to win this. Now came NST Construct final pitching round, जहाँ पे हमारे official judges आए हुए थे, Emergent से and Prod Folk से. So we were pitching in front of them. So competition was really tough, and our pitch was really great. Judges were impressed. Basically, we made a campus credit system. अगर हम मेस का खाना नहीं खाएंगे, उतने क्रेडिट्स हमारे अकाउंट में आ जाएंगे बेसिकली एज कॉलेज करेंसी, एंड नाउ वी कैन यूटिलाइज दोज करेंसी एट बेसिकली द कॉलेज आउटलेट्स. एंड देन we were waiting for the results. After 2 weeks I got to know, oh, I just received my 5th win. It's like a battlefield full of chaos. हमारा कभी ऐसा नहीं होता, it goes too smoothly. Every time there's a problem, like construct में पूरा database delete हो गया था, and हर hackathon में it's like, I still remember जोधपुर में जब हम गए थे, we came to know 2 hours prior to the competition that हमारी जो problem statement है वही changed है. So what we have really learned is, okay, हो गया, इतना टाइम है, नाउ लेट्स डू आवर बेस्ट, एंड जितना भी टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं उसमें लेट्स मेक अ बेस्ट सोल्यूशन दैट वी कैन.